In this video, I am going to show you how to design dripping effect in Photoshop. And if you old here, I salute you. Or if you new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. First open the document, then use your photo. Then select it and mask it. Create mask, then Ctrl T, resize it. Okay, now open splash. Just select its smart object, just rasterize it. Now okay, then select again, then resize it according to your needs. Magic tool to select again and delete. Then invert this, Ctrl I to invert it, then hide first layer, then select marks, then foreground and background color white and black, then select brush tool and easily remove it. That's it. Okay, now after removing, just Ctrl D, press Ctrl D. Okay, now add some guardian effect. Click guardian tools. Okay, select your choosable color or likable color. Choose a color. I think it's better. It's look like good. Okay, hit OK, hit OK, then reverse it, redial it, then reverse it. Okay, that's fine. Now white color, fix it. Now okay, now select a new layer, then brush tool to select a shadow, then resize it and select your position, then Ctrl T to zoom it, create a new layer, black layer, then mask it, then brush tool, use brush tool and foreground color black, then press it according to your need. So okay, if you like my work, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.